Hello, Agua Fria High School District families. As a community, we must work together to keep our schools safe. Safety remains our top priority. The district has started to implement weapon detectors at entry points of campuses as an added safety effort. To ensure the process runs fast and efficient, students must follow these 3 steps. Remove your Chromebook from your bag. Have your ID out and ready to show. You must have a physical copy. Walk through slowly when instructed to, with your backpack on both shoulders. Our family of high schools is committed to maintaining safe and friendly learning environments. We appreciate the community's support of this security and safety initiative. A family of high schools. Agua Fria High School District.